Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're going to get our house ready for Easter. This Easter egg banner is a super easy DIY and it packs a lot of punch. There's so much character in it, so much detail, and you're going to love it. These little wooden Easter eggs, I actually got the large ones from Dollar Tree last year, the small ones from Dollar Tree this year. But you guys know how that goes. All the Dollar Trees typically have different things, and so go look. You may be able to find these little wooden Easter eggs at Hobby Lobby as well. I'm just decorating them, painting them in a variety of colors, the colors I love. Feel free to use the colors you enjoy in your home. Next, washi tape is our friend. If you don't know what washi tape is, it's a Japanese paper tape that people use in scrapbooking, and it is perfect. It has so many different patterns that you can use in crafting, and that's what we're using here. Check out this little bird washi tape. This is one of my favorites. You're gonna see it really close up here at the end. Now we're gonna do my signature paint technique. You knew that this would be on here and I put it on everything. I'm just adding details, you guys. You can add as much or as little as you want just to bring these Easter eggs to life. Now it's time to put the banner together. This is a fabric banner that I actually got from Michaels. And then this tassel ribbon is, oh my goodness, amazing and adorable. And I thought it was perfect to line the top of our fabric banner with it. Now, in order to bring all the colors together, I am taking a variety of fabrics in the colors that I decorated my eggs with, and I'm simply ripping the fabric. This is going to be tassels that we put on the end of our banner. I'm actually going to slow the video down here so you can really see how I am tying these fabric strips to the banner. So you're going to fold it in half and you work upside down because it really does make the knot work and it just looks better. So fold it in half and you can see here that I'm going to tape the end of my banner to the table so that it doesn't move. And then you're going to take the tails up over your string and put them through the hole that you created when you folded it. Now we're just taking some hot glue and gluing the Easter eggs on. I put the big ones on every other and then I layered the small ones on top of each other. Now you can't see the holes in the top of the big eggs because the tassel covers them, but you could on the little ones, and so I wanted to cover them up, and so I'm simply making a knot little bow in some really tiny ribbon. Check it out. You guys, these are adorable. You would have never known there was a hole there. This is one of my favorite projects. There is so much character, so many patterns in this, but yet it all goes together so perfectly. I hope you loved this DIY and visit me on my website at theruffleddaisy.org and follow me on all the social media channels.